Hi, Dave Taylor here. Welcome to my garage. It's a little bit of a mess, but there's definitely space for a car to pull in. But here's the problem. Like probably most drivers, I don't always know exactly how far to pull into my garage. So I have to sometimes struggle, and I'll pull in and it's like super too close to the wall, and then people can't get in front of the car, or I'm too far back and it's like, ooh, I better move the car in just a little bit more before I close the garage, lest something horrible happen. Here's my prop. Enter the Striker Garage Parking Sensor. Let me move in a little closer. You can see what I got here. All right. This is actually this really cool little device, and it's pretty simple. Here, I'll pull it out of the container. And it sits on the wall. It has an ultrasound sensor, and it basically gives you a red, yellow, green to show you how far into the garage you're parking. How do you do that? Well, you put it on the wall, and then you pull your car into the exact perfect distance, and that might be a little bit of back and forth, and then you push the button that basically says set. And it's pretty hard to miss the button. It's that big red button on the bottom, right? Once you've done that, then every time you start to pull into the garage, it will sense you coming in, and it'll actually give you those different LED colors so you can see just when you're at the perfect distance. So let's go ahead and I'll install it, which is just going to be a simple matter of a couple of pieces of Velcro tape, and then I'll show you what happens when I pull my car in once I've set the distance. So hold on, I'll be right back. So that's how the Striker works. Pretty straightforward. You pull your car in the first time, push the red button to set your distance anywhere from 6 inches to 6 feet from the sensor at the bottom of that wire. And then every time you pull in, as you saw in that video, all you have to do is pull in until it turns yellow, and then maybe just another inch or two, and once it turns red, stop. And you're good, you're perfectly parked. And here's the thing, this thing's available pretty much everywhere. You can find it at Lowe's, probably Home Depot, and it's $24.99. This is not rocket science. There's no Bluetooth, there's no app for your phone. It's just a straightforward garage distance sensor, and it's actually really useful, particularly if you have friends or spouses that have a hard time figuring out exactly how far the car needs to be in the garage. So you can learn more at striker1.com, their website, or you can just check it out at your local hardware store. This is Dave Taylor, and my car is successfully parked, so I'm out of here.